Hello again, Nissan Cube fans. So I got two of these guys here, as you'll see. They are graphically quite a bit different, and also, well, I 3D printed my own waffle wheels here on this silver one, but this is a bone stock. Well, actually, it is bone stock. It actually still is on the motor. I didn't remove the wheels and use putty. So this is a dealership model, and that's why it says Nissan on the back of it. And then the other one is part of the Choro-Q series. So it has some additional printing that normal ChoroQs, I guess, don't have. But I like this car enough, I'm just gonna get more. So I found this one. It's a different dealership one. And this one, as you can see, has these weird disc wheels, which I'm gonna guess are those disc wheels. So let's take a look and see if there's anything else different. I think there is. I can see some lights peeking through there, so that's why I got this one. It's physically a different mold. It says 2005 down here as well, so okay. Yep, just got the additional lights. I thought there were just going to be two up there. So, look at this comparison here. I'm pretty sure there's the colorway as well. It's just that my monitor, or whoever took that photograph, it might be a little whited out. But you can see the four extra lights in the grille, and then the three slats there. So this is pretty much that model. I looked up 2002 Cube. This is the second generation Nissan Cube, if you're unaware. So let's take a look at what else we have here. Yeah, you got these funky disc wheels. Sadly, the Nissan logo is just the outline, not the inside bit. The door handle actually looks like a Nissan logo now I think of it. And then I really like this car in the real world because it's not symmetric. If you see here, this window, right, not symmetric. So the way the car is designed is really unique. This is where it gets pulled out the molding sprue. Some ribbing here. And then, yeah, so it's a dealership one. That's why it just says Nissan here. It's got a little printed on wiper blade, the cube there. And then the nicely painted tail lights are good. And then, yeah, as you see, really nicely painted. Interesting waffle texture here. And I think these are clear plastic. That's the same plastic of this. Wiper blades printed on. Yeah, so let's see about the bottom. No date, but it's probably in that production dial on the other side. But as you saw in the packaging, 2005. So, yeah, riding stance actually looks like the photograph. So that's probably why I didn't modify that other dealership one. And it's probably why I'm not going to modify this one. So, pretty quick video. Let's just add this back to this spinning thing. And now we have three different cubes with three different wheels. Oh, by the way, these older ChoroQs, if you have this white residue, you just wipe it off and it's perfectly fine. I don't know why the white residue comes, but it doesn't affect the tire. It just, these tires don't seem to harden. I think they're made of silicone. But the newer ChoroQ Zeros, those tires do leach oil, and I think they also get harder, so it's actually bad, the new compounds. Alright. Hence. Alright. So maybe this is like a facelifted version. Let me check the bottom. No, no date on that either, unless I open the thing up, which I'm not willing to do. Alright, well, so it seems like these two are actually the same physical molds, just different, paint apps, whereas this one is, a totally different mold, so I think that's cool. Alright guys, well, that's it for the Nissans today, and hopefully I'll see you around tomorrow. Bye.